touchdown, call it Oklahoma sooner. Check the vacuum seal, I think the plug gave us too much. All these hoes gossip, so don't listen, it's a rumor. I can't stand the dramatic, bitch, that hoe be doing too much. Too much. Too much. A million enough, I'm tryna grind till I get too much. Too much. Too much. Too much. I was taught to trap and keep the pistol when you re-up. Too much. 3 much. I done had so many hundreds, think I hit the bridge truck. Bad bitch. She up. Don't care about how deep he is, make sure you get a prenup. See, lately I be stacking and rocking the 40 I'm packing. The plug charge too much. Send my young niggas when they start taxing. Who fresher than me? I am so fly, I can fly with a Aladdin. Basic bitches, they are too dramatic. Take a smoke break, get right back at it. Too many bitches, too much bottles, too much weed, too many models. I'm about to green like an avocado. She had too much ass, took a photo ride, full throttle. The pack touchdown, call it Oklahoma sooner. Check the vacuum seal, I think the plug gave us too much. All these hoes gossip, so don't listen, it's a rumor. I can't stand the dramatic, bitch, that hoe be doing too much. Too much. Too much. A million enough, I'm tryna grind till I get too much. Too much. Too much. Too much. I was taught to trap and keep the pistol when you re-up. See, I kept the F in when I read up. Cocaine cowboy killers, they go crazy when they speed up. Mega bus got too much. Bulletproof like an armor truck. Still a nigga whole super angel dust. Me and my young niggas count on the detention bus. Your best better keep it real with a real nigga. I am the flipper, shoot extra quicker. Double seal with the vacuum sealer. Too much ass, so I know you feel her. Too much heat like Mike Miller. 100 rifles and 100 pistols. Too much gas, I'm a nasty dealer. The pack touchdown, call it Oklahoma sooner. Check the vacuum seal, I think the plug gave us too much. All these hoes gossip, so don't listen, it's a rumor. I can't stand the dramatic, bitch, that hoe be doing too much. Too much. Too much. A million enough, I'm tryna grind till I get too much. Too much. Too much. Too much. I was taught to trap and keep the pistol when you re-up.
Y'all got the right nigga for the job this time.
Oh, we snapping on this shit.
Arsenal. A young nigga from the east side. Me, I'm certified, I don't need ID. Fuck a hater, I see him later, he gonna need a favor in the long run. Fuck a copper, keep a chopper, that's a long gun. Up grinding way before the alarm rung. Know it's a hit way before we record one. I'm on 1, 2, 3, 4. Blunts out of face, I'ma need 3 more. I started flexing as a youngin', I was getting money, I was selling weed. All the bitches love me, trouble with the law. Started getting ugly, scamming with my homies just to get some money. Grew up in the trenches, I had good intentions. Want it done right, then you should do the business. I don't trust niggas, I get too suspicious. Crack on the stove and make mama do the dishes. Fucking up the China, gotta look behind you. Hollow tips inside you, just a brief reminder. I'm from a city with daughters sell vagina. Cops are shooting minors, all these niggas liars. Apologize now, nigga, pardon your looks. Download all my shit off of iTunes. I'm out here giving all my audio push. They got me motivated. If they say I'm the best, then don't debate it. Success is overrated. Business is best negotiated, so less associated with death. I know they hate it. His flesh exfoliated. What happened? The tech infoliated with passion. I was working long days, they was napping. I struggled, I was crying, they was laughing. 3 mil for a dealer, it ain't happening. I don't want 100,000 playing Madden. The rest rapping. Took all my chips and cashed in, but thanks for asking. Let a nigga try me like you don't know who I be. I'm me, I'm G. Hit the homies out in IE. One word body, me. That's a murder.
Onky baby bean, that's a murder. That's a murder, yeah. Murder, yeah. Murder. Damn, murder, yeah. Like they never heard of you. Understand I got God with me, so the evils could never hurt me. I.E., you see it on my jersey. I just call up Ars when I'm out in Jersey. Tell him I need a white girl that look like Fergie. Shave kitties, I don't do them furry. Make her run that money in a hurry. Solo on these missions, cause these niggas scurry. Mama said to trust in what the reverend say. I look at my skin and see a better way. Young black king, they ain't never say that people my color was running heaven gates. I got 2 phones, no Kevin Gates. One for bad times, one for better days. I don't answer the one for bad times, cause I need good vibes around me all 7 days. I got bad bitches on my resume. I hit the booth and try to go ahead of Jay, ahead of Gandhi, ahead of myself yesterday. I don't see no better way. If it's moolah to be made, then set a date. I'll be there on the dot, I ain't never late. I won't sign by the dot unless the bread is stacked up like wedding cakes. Gotta set it straight. I know niggas from Grape like Lil Lay. I got stocks on the Benz, no, never scrape. Really scrapped in these streets, we ain't grow the same. Lost homies to this beef, you don't know the pain. Price and S dot on the beat, you know it bang. And I'm priced by the way, so you know the name. From summer to winter, spring to fall, heat, snow or rain. I got the West on my shoulders, man. Yeah, you know that's a murder. Whoa. Onky baby bean, that's a murder. on some murder, yeah. Murder, murder, yeah. Murder, murder, murder.
Yeah, this a bang.
Damn, murder,
I'ma
murder,
zip this
yeah.
up.
Like they never heard it.
Make some room for the young legends. I ain't coming here to come second. Done playing, done stressing, no question. Best dressed young veteran. All the drug sellers, drug users now. Gave me the new dealer. Pure dope. Seen us, pure smoke. West, west, inhale, chest press. Light up 2 J's and I'm hot now. I could probably earn Scott Miles. Yeah, I'ma make them stop playing with us. Not now, nigga, right now. Cause all we needed was God to win. Hustle with your had since I was 10. Muscle with you seen since I walked in. So how the fuck you think this about to end? Ooh, ooh, sit down. I roll up. Life too fast. Slow up. Okay, no. You know what? Okay, go. Back to business after this. I open up and answer questions. What the fuck you want and why the fuck you want it? Why I'm cussing when I'm zoning. And I've eaten every single known opponent. There's no comparing us. The fuck you staring